Umaga po sa inyo lahat. Again, this is good news. I'm creating this video. This is a congratulations video. Congratulations po sa lahat ng members, lahat ng leaders ng Supreme Wealth Alliance. Alright, so ganito po, I'll give you a status update. Ano po ba ang nangyayari dito sa ating program? Alright, I'll give you a news. We are experiencing massive growth. Alright, massive growth. Okay, based on our statistics po, from June to August, on the average, we are growing at 4,000 members per month. That's 4,000 human beings na na-enlighten natin because of this program. 4,000 human beings every month na nagkakaroon ng bagong pag-asa na magkakaroon ng magandang buhay because of the discovery of this program, Supreme Wealth Alliance. And ito pa ho, that is just an average. From August 12 until yesterday, no, that's 1 month, September 12 po yesterday, we have registered 6,300 new members. Wow. And I'm sure all of you and all of us are experiencing this growth. This, what I call as harvest. At lahat po ng growth na to, lahat ng harvest and lahat ng success, it came upon because God gave us the grace to be able to produce these fruits, this harvest. Alright? So, congratulations po sa inyong lahat. Alright? And because of this, no, this is the good news. Because of this, the leaders, the pioneers, the core leaders of this program, we were all pushed to the wall to finally meet and have a strategic planning session this weekend. Wow! This is the first time that this is going to happen dito po sa SWA. The leaders, the core leaders, the people behind this program will have a strategic planning session to plan for our next direction, the next 100,000 members na papasok. Alright, so I am sure you have been experiencing this growth, no? Both positively and probably both inconveniently. Alright? Hindi po ako magiging hindi ko po tatakpan. Hindi ko ililihim sa inyo that we have been experiencing inconvenience lately. Ano yon? Late sa activations, late sa commissions, late sa pagsagot ng mga customer support tickets. Alright, so I'm sure some of you have experienced it and probably broke your heart. And probably irritated. Wow, anong klase to? I thought this is good. I thought maganda to. Why? Alright, I'd like to ask for an apology in behalf of the whole team behind me. Ang nararanasan nyo po ay effect ng sobrang daming taong pumapasok. Is that a good news? Definitely yes. We already proven to the world that this program is effective. Now, the solution is going to be tackled. The solution will be implemented this coming weekend on our strategic planning. Believe me guys, if we grew this big, about 27,000 in 1 year's time of operation, without even planning it, what do you think will happen if we already set our toes, set our plans, all armaments geared up towards that next 100,000 in the following months to come? Guys, I don't know. I am so excited dito po sa mangyayari because finally we're going to do this officially and really create the excellent plan, the excellent system na magsisimula po sa ating planning. Alright, and we have invited professional leaders, able leaders to handle the strat plan. So, hindi po kami ang gagawa nito. Leaders, professionals, from also an organization who have experienced massive growth. Okay? At this time, yung pong kanilang organization is about almost 100,000 members. Exactly the direction that we want to go. Alright? And they will share to us what they did. Hindi na po tayo maghuhulaan, hindi na tayo magta-trial and error, ganito gawin natin, baka tama ito. We will listen, and we will humble ourselves to listen to the people, leaders, who have had that same experience na dinadaanan natin ngayon. And they will tell us what not to do para hindi na tayo mag-fail. Wow! Guys, please, include this in your prayers. Pakiusap ko po sa mga taong naniniwala sa Diyos na nakikinig sa akin, na members ng SWA. We would like your intercession, your prayers, God, that this strat planning will really plot everything in place and get us ready and prepared for that massive success that God has destined us to be. Maraming salamat po, and guys, you ain't seen nothing yet. We barely started. And look at the harvest. 6,300 new members coming in for 1 month without a promo. Alright? Remember, we had a promo, marami pumasok. Without a promo, we are growing. So, anong meron? There's something with this program. And you should know it. You know it. It's in our hearts. Maraming salamat po. I'm so excited, guys. After this weekend, next week, you will hear a lot of updates and you will hear a lot of good news coming in. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Again, ako po si Tatay Kiko. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone.